Hey Joshua. You say good morning to everybody? Good morning. Or good afternoon, really. Yeah. It's been a while since we've said hi to everybody on Facebook, huh? Say, I am a big boy now. Yeah. Big boy. Yeah. Do you have anything else to say to your adoring fans? Okay. It's been fun. See ya.